Through its work to promote and support the development of public administration institutions among member states, the UN seeks to strengthen advocacy on the 2030 Agenda and the Sustainable Development Goals among public servants, creating and expanding and exchanging knowledge for effective governance, for sustainable solutions, and develops individuals, organizations, and institutional capabilities. Without a dedicated effort to help governments realize and build the capacity of public servants at all levels, progress on the SDG may be undermined by ineffective bureaucracies. The High Table, ladies and gentlemen, over the years, GIMPA has proved to be a place for the training of public and civil servants to have the hands-on experience to ensure effective and efficient public and civil service. The UN commends you on your unwavering efforts to maintain this standard. We encourage GIMPA to explore through the UN Global Compact the possibility of tapping into the opportunities of one of the UN-supported initiatives that equips today's business students with the understanding and ability to deliver change tomorrow. The Principles of Responsible Management Education is the largest organized relationship between the United Nations and management-related higher institutions, and it raises the profile of sustainability in schools around the world. And this is really critical. A last word on Leave No One Behind. We encourage you, as we are no doubt aware that you understand, to train and think inclusively across Ghana and the sub-region, involving all marginalized groups and strengthening their presence and capacity, especially for women, persons with disability, and the young people. The young people are our future, and the future is very much on us. The UN, as it evolves alongside other development partners, continue to see the relevance and importance of this important institution and pledge to continue to find ways to support you to deepen and strengthen your efforts. I wish you a successful inaugural lecture and hope that the presentations of these lectures will feed into the public sector, the policy discourses, and the leadership directions for the desired transformation of the public administration and indeed of Ghana, not just here in Ghana, but in the leadership role you play sub-regionally, regionally, and globally across many arenas. I thank you for the time and for your invitation.